The Nixeus Moda V2 mechanical keyboard that is both Mac and Windows compatible. How does it compare with other keyboards of the same pricing, and ultimately, is it worth your money? At first glance, you can immediately tell this keyboard is very heavy. The front plate is made of steel while the back is made of plastic, and it's a very sturdy keyboard, and it does come with some weight. It is especially a lot heavier than keyboards of the same size. Another thing I really like about it is the color scheme. It's very consistent. There's not that much contrast, so whenever I'm doing work, it's so much easier for me to focus on my work rather than the sharp contrast that lays right below my eyes. As I said earlier, this keyboard is Mac and Windows compatible. That's why it comes with extra keycaps in the format of Command, Alt Option. So especially for those Mac users who use Mac iMacs or MacBooks or any Apple device in general. It also includes a keycap puller, which is useful when taking keycaps off because it not only protects the mechanical switch from getting damaged, it also prolongs the keycap life itself. What else comes is also like the thank you card. Mainly it has directions you're supposed to follow. And because this is Mac compatible, in a normal keyboard, there's a Windows key, and if you plug that into a MacBook, you would have to use the Windows keys as your command key. And it simply tells you that you can actually go on the Mac software and switch those two keys so that your command would actually be in the right position. Another thing they give you is the warranty card. You actually have to physically sign up yourself, go online, go to their website, and register your own product for warranty. I also very much like the packaging. The box includes all the information you need to operate this keyboard, as well as very detailed pictures. It tells you where every single key is so that you don't get lost. Something interesting about this keyboard is also the cable management. It's very user-friendly. You can have the cable extend out of the keyboard from the middle, on the right side or the left side. It might be a little hard to stick the cables in, but once you put it in, it's very snug and will not fall out of place. Also, there's another thing, their keyboard stands, and especially I like these because the keyboard stands do have rubber feet on them to prevent it from slipping, and of course if you don't want to use them, they do include 4 more other rubber feet that also prevent it from slipping. Now, as I mentioned before, this keyboard does feature brown Kale switches, and if you don't know what they sound like, here's a typing test. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this keyboard is extremely sturdy, and I seriously can't even bend it even a teeny tiny bit. But in general, this keyboard is very worth your money. Just for $60, it already outperforms many of the other keyboards, especially of the same size. It's a very heavy and sturdy keyboard in general. I hope you buy it. But anyways, please like and subscribe. Leave any comments or concerns down below. That would be grateful.